Happy fall, you all. This is Paul Tommey with Remax Executive Group, and I'm a licensed realtor in the Columbus, Georgia, Fort Benning, and Phenix City, Alabama area. And first, I want to give a shout out and credit to my daughter, Heather, who's also my executive assistant. And she came up with this marketing idea to come out with something called Vendor Gratitude Month. So we've selected several vendors that I know, use, and trust through the last few years. And the one we selected first is Sasha Pagano with MaidSafe. Glad to have you, Sasha.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Paul.
Absolutely. Now, these vendors I consider critical to my business, and I call them part of my powerhouse team. Powerhouse team. Okay, today, so Sasha, I've got an icebreaker question. If you don't mind, I'd like to ask a question. You're not
Sure.
shy or bashful, right?
Nope.
Okay, and I think you're from Missouri, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm from Oklahoma, so we're both not local folks, but we've been here a while. Anyway, can you tell the viewers out there something that the folks don't know about you that they would find interesting?
That I am an avid hunter of hogs.
Really?
Yeah,
What
like
was
my
your
favorite.
maiden name? What was your maiden name?
It was Hog, H-O-G-G.
That was not in the rehearsal yesterday. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It's better than yesterday's.
Okay. Sasha, please tell the viewers when you started your business. And I believe you even ramped up during this pandemic. Is that not correct?
That is absolutely true. I started this January 6th was our first day. And through the pandemic, thankfully, the mortgage rates dropped and the real estate business just flew. And so we were able to clean a lot of empty homes and transitions for people who are getting their new purchases and kind of steer away from those occupied for a while when everything was shut down.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's a new business. You have new employees and all that kind of thing. What's the scope of the services that you provide currently?
Yeah, we specialize in deep cleans. We love that. So we go, toothbrushes in the corners on the baseboards. We go up and clean every vent in the ceiling and everything in between. Deep cleans is where we love. Yeah.
The fan blades and the whole 9 yards. Everything.
Yes. Yes.
Now, what about your employees? Do you have any special criteria you use for screening your team members?
Yes. So I made a contact with Keith Dryden. He owns 4D Screening. And so I have a background check on every employee, and then he then arranges a local urine drug test for every employee. So everyone that comes through our company and into homes has been vetted, fully vetted by professional service.
Wow. And
Yeah.
I think you even told me one time you even have GoPros if somebody wants that service well to track your people.
Yeah. We're serious about confidentiality because we have some customers that are. So that's a service that we provide.
I got you. What about the target radius market in the Chattahoochee Valley? How far and wide do you service?
So we typically are Muskogee County, Fort Benning, Harris County, and then Lee and Russell County. As far down as Fort Mitchell, out to, Ashton Lakes in Auburn. And, we'll go a little bit outside that radius if it's a larger project, just because it's just got to be a larger project.
So you could go to West Point or the Valley area up there too?
Yeah,
up in Alabama?
yeah,
Okay, so
absolutely.
Basically 45 minutes to an hour is where that 95% of your business is captured, correct?
Yeah, I definitely go to West Point if it's crappie season.
Okay. Pull the boat behind the truck up there.
That's right.
How has your client base grown this year? Your client
incredible.
base?
It is incredible. Like I said, that real estate market really took off. But I also belong to that business group with you. We belong to BNI. And so I didn't expect it would grow this quickly. It's incredible.
That's exciting, especially when a lot of people are pulling back during the pandemic or closing or cutting back or laying people off. That's real commendable. That shows the tiger blood you have to make this business grow from scratch. That's fabulous. What kind of additional clients are you looking for to grow your business? What kind of additional clients?
Well, I want all of your transactions.
Okay, well, you got most of them so far.
I know, I know. I love realtors, and realtors love me, brokers and agents and investors. Those are some of the easiest relationships I have because we're streamlined. You can text us once we establish a relationship and you understand how quick our business runs and how we price. I have
Yeah,
agents that just text me an address, a lockbox code, and I text them back the quote once I see the home. They approve it right there with the button. We schedule it on their day through text. The girls go work the job. I invoice through text. They pay through text.
that's
So that's
awesome.
it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
So tell the viewers how we began our business relationship.
So you walked through a door. So I had just moved here and didn't really know anyone in the area. And I had just started dating my now husband. And he owns a business locally. And you and Jim Lennon walked through the door. And I just loved you guys' energy, and I was drawn to you because we're like, and you had brought the referral slips in from that meeting because he had missed that day, which is why I was waiting on him. I just wanted lunch that day, and yeah, it's true. And you were like, well, we're bringing you this so you didn't miss this opportunity. And I was just like, and then you guys told him to send me next week. And I agreed to go to that business meeting because I loved you guys so much right off the bat. And I thought, well, if there's a whole room of these people, that's who I need to know. And ever since then, you've been my buddy, in that group. It's awesome.
Well, we have a lot of respect and appreciation for what you guys do, and you and your husband as well. Glad to have you. Glad to have this affiliation. What about some successful projects you've done for realtors or for me and my business? Can you give them a few examples?
We love your Airbnb. So we can do that for people who have those needs. We love serving a realtor we love serving you because it makes you look good for a longer period of time. And I think that's where the real success is because, we're really good at what we do, the cleaning bit, but where our heart is the making other people's lives better. We lead with servant heart first. So whether that's making you look good and the homeowner gets to move in and do a fresh, clean new home to them, or a brand new home on a post-construction. There's a lot of work in a post-construction, the same way there would be a lot of work just between a transition, because we go from top to bottom on both of them.
There you go. Yeah, to summarize what she said, she's helped me on my Airbnb, my personal home, the property we have for our in-law downstairs. They've helped multiple times on that. They help with my pre-sale and my post, buyers, all some soup to nuts. She's helped me from soup to nuts, and they're always professional, polite, and prompt. Can you tell the folks the best way to get a hold of MaidSafe?
I love a phone call. So our number is 706-575-0234. And I carry that phone Monday through Friday from 8 to 6. And when you call, we'll just set up a little time to run out to your house and have a quick peek at it. I need to go quote the home because not everybody's clean is the same, and not everybody's it ain't that dirty is the same. So, I'll run out. I like meeting my customers with a phone call though.
That's important. So it's win-win for both you and the client as well.
Yeah.
You don't want to undercharge or overcharge, but you got to be competitive at the end of the day.
Yeah. Yep.
But one thing I like to say, for a testimony for MaidSafe, I've known Sasha and her folks. I've known Sasha for about 5 years, her husband for about 10 years, but her company is just taken off like a rocket. Like I said, she's in a business group with me, and we've had several other businesses that have taken off from scratch like a rocket. Some have really been successful. But I could say this without hesitation, whether it's a special situation, there's no job too small or no job too big. Whether it's routine cleaning or a one-time gig, getting ready for the holidays, family or friends coming to visit. If you want it done right, you want it done right the first time, call this hardworking group of energetic ladies. I call them my go-to gals, and they're the best cleaning services that I know in the Valley area. So Sasha, thanks for joining us today.
Yeah.
Do you have anything else you'd like to say in closing?
If you are looking for a realtor right now to buy a home or sell a home, call Paul Tommey. because I have watched him at work for 5 years and he brings in a team. All you got to do is tell him what you want, kick back, and he delivers the whole thing. You will not break a sweat. I promise.
Well, I appreciate that, Sasha. That
Yeah.
wasn't in the script or the rehearsal
No.
either, but I call myself the full service reeler, whether it's taking stuff to the dump or I'll make it happen. You give me the task, I'll take the hill. We'll take the objective. We'll make it happen. But once again, please join us next week. We're going to host Luke Smith. He's the local owner of Brothers That Just Do Gutters. It's a national franchise, and he started from scratch a little over a year ago. And it's an exciting story and a very successful operation as well. So Sasha, I hope you and all the viewers have the best day ever. And I hope to see you guys next week as we thank
Awesome.
other vendors for Gratitude Month. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.